If you have cats that are outside, then you probably had already in the past or you currently have fleas in the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of them with some simple, easy ingredients, so stay tuned. So first I'm going to show you how to build the flea trap, and the next step is how to attract the fleas to the trap. So to build the flea trap you need a shallow dish like a plate or a cookie sheet or anything that you have in your house that fits and that can be filled with water. Then you need some water, you need a spoon if you want to, and you need some regular dish detergent, and that's it. So first you're gonna fill your dish with water. Doesn't have to be completely full, depending on how big your dish is. And then you're going to take about 1 to 2 spoons of dish soap. And you just mix it all together. And you already built your flea trap. So your flea trap can work without these following things, but I would suggest you use them, or at least one of them, to make it more effective. So let's start with the candle. You can put a candle in the middle of your plate, of your cookie sheet, in the water and light it, because the fleas are attracted to the heat. So they're gonna come and get trapped in the trap. Secondly, what you need, and that's actually super important, is a lamp. I think everyone has a lamp in the house. If possible, your lamp should have a yellow green light bulb in there, or a yellow light bulb, or a green filter on it. My lamp has different actually different shades. That one is pretty white and the next one is yellow. So but if your lamp does not have this and you have a normal white light, then you can get a filter. I only found this now is orange, but this is for ice cream. If you put this in front of the filter, it makes it kind of orange, as you can see. But what I found, it's not the best thing, but if you don't have nothing different, found some mouthwash that makes the light shine green through it. So you have to find a way to put the green filter or yellow filter in front of your light. And for some reason fleas are more attracted to yellow green light than to other colors. So yeah, that makes it very effective if you put a green or yellow filter in front of your lamp. And the last thing you can use is a normal indoor plant. Is another thing that fleas are attracted to. They are attracted to plants, so they come closer to things that are next to a plant, next to light, and next to heat. So the first thing you're gonna do after you have all your ingredients, everything you need together, you're gonna find a spot to place your trap at. The best spot is gonna be where your pets are often, a spot where you already saw fleas, like it's most of the time on the windows or on the sofas, on carpets. So find a good spot. If you want, you can place multiple flea traps in your house. Yeah, the track itself, like I said, is not gonna attract the fleas, so you need to have these other ingredients, these other things, to really attract them, and you're gonna have to place them at the right spot. So you're gonna take your trap, you're gonna place your candle in the middle, you're gonna light it, and then Yeah, put a towel under it. Make sure it's nothing around it that can start burning. And then you're gonna turn your light on, your yellow light, and yeah, just place it that it attract the fleas. We got the candle, we got the light, we got the plant next to it. Yeah, wherever you're gonna put it at. You should leave it overnight. Give it some hours that the fleas can find the trap and drown in it. They're gonna drown because of the dish soap. Yeah, if you have to, then find a way to put your filter in front of the trap to make it green or yellow, in front of the light, I mean. Yeah, like I said, leave it overnight. If you want to repeat the whole process the next day. And yeah, if your house is full of fleas and you're already having a lot of fleas, then you should think about using some chemicals. There are things called foggers that make fog in your room. You have to leave the room and you have to open the windows, and you really can't breathe in that stuff because it's harsh chemicals, but it really helps. You put that thing in the middle of the room and you use it, and the fog goes in the whole room. And yeah, that is not a homemade one, but that's a really effective one. But it's also not good for your health. So you should first try it with the homemade one I just showed you. And yeah, I hope it's gonna work for you. And yeah, if you like the video, give us a like, a subscribe, and a thumbs up, and see you in the next time.